Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use wheatgrass juice. Wheatgrass is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a popular health supplement. We'll cover everything from preparing your juice to incorporating it into your daily routine. Understanding the proper methods ensures you get the most out of this potent green drink. Let's dive into the best practices for enjoying wheatgrass juice safely and effectively. Preparing wheatgrass juice correctly is key to maximizing its benefits. If you're using fresh wheatgrass, a masticating juicer is ideal for extracting the most nutrients. For powdered versions, simply mix 1 to 2 teaspoons with 8 ounces of water or your favorite beverage. Remember, consistency is important, so find a method that fits your lifestyle. You'll be surprised how easy it is to integrate this powerful green into your diet. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide on wheatgrass juice helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like this video. Your support helps us create more content. On another note, why not bring your kitchen to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for setting timers while you prepare your juice or playing your favorite tunes. Check the description for the link and other amazing deals. Now, let's get back to the video. When consuming wheatgrass juice, it's best to start small, perhaps with just 1 ounce, and observe how your body reacts. Many people prefer to drink it on an empty stomach to enhance nutrient absorption. Freshly juiced wheatgrass is most potent, so try to consume it immediately. If you must store it, keep it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for no more than 24 hours to maintain its freshness and efficacy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.